morning, everybody. Welcome back to my shop. A little bit chilly this morning. I got the heater cooking, but we'll be fine. Anyway, I just got this letter in the post from Jordan Woodworks. He sent me his emblems, 2 stickers. Thank you so much, Jordan. I'm going to leave his link down below, and I'll put a little click thing on top here towards the end. But I really appreciate you sending me these stickers. I'm going to go ahead, I like this, I like them both, but I kind of like this one with the blade. I'm going to put it up here on my board, if I can get it apart. Put you right here with the other awesome people. Jordan Woodwork. Gotta go check him out. Like I said, I'll leave his link. Alright, so I just recently got this pen mandrel. It's artesian pen mandrel number 2. Dayacom makes it. Never turned the pen before. I've been admiring certain people making pens on YouTube, and I always wanted to try it, so I got this now. And I went ahead and got some slimline pen kits. They tell me it's, you know, a good one to start with. So we're gonna go ahead and try to make a pen today. Stick around, it should be great, man. Alright, so I got, like I said, I got this mandrel. Pretty self-explanatory. It comes with these little spacers. Here's the pen kit. Look at the pen kit, it actually tells you here, get the mandrel, put your spacers in, you put your wood in, so that's all pretty self-explanatory. But it comes with this little, if I can get it open, it comes with this little compression fitting. Not exactly sure what it's for. Oh, I'm guessing if you want to do something smaller, I guess you could kind of lock it, like if you only wanted to do a short pen, maybe you could like lock it here. But I'm not sure. If you know what this is for, let me know. I'm guessing that's probably what it's for, and I bet you if I actually, this didn't come with instructions. But I guess, anyway, if you know, let me know. Thank you. So what I'm going to do now, so I'm going to shut up. I'm going to look for something that we can use for blanks. I'm going to go ahead and make a pen. Cool. Oh, let me show you this real quick. This is the 24 karat gold slimline pen kit. Comes with instructions. Comes with your ink, replaceable ink thing. Comes with your tubes that go inside your blanks. They already look like they're scuffed up. Every video I see they say scuff this up, which I'm going to do. But I see they come scuffed up already. What's your opinion on that? Comes with the tip. Nice little golden tip there. Comes with, looks like the spacer in between the 2 blanks. A little button that goes on the back with your clip. You know, so you can clip it on your shirt or whatever. And then this is the twist, so you can twist the point out in and out. So this should be cool. All right, I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna go ahead and make a pen. I have this piece of spalted maple. I think it'll make a nice pen blank, I hope. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop it down to size. So the first step was supposed to be cut this down. It says 1/2 inch to 5/8 square block. This This is a little over 1/2 inch. Seems kind of small, but that's what we got. So now I'm going to cut it down to size, cut it down to length, and drill holes through the center hopefully. And that's what we're going to do next. So I got this all set up here. I was quite happy the way that came out. Yeah, looking pretty straight and centered. All that kind of stuff. Center's on anyway. So now, we're supposed to stuff these up. You know, they're already stuffed up, like I said earlier. But we'll not. So you're supposed to square off the ends of the blanks with a barrel trimmer, which I don't have, or some sanding device. So I came up with this. I have my lathe, obviously, my disc sander. I got this little table that I acquired with a piece of marble, which I know is flat. So I clamped that down. Then I clamped this plywood here with, I made sure it was square to the sanding surface, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put my little blanks in here and try to sand them square. And that's what I got, so that's what I'm going to use. Here we go. So that jig worked out pretty well. It's nice, flush, flat, seems to be square. So the next step now is to put it on the mandrel and start turning. Let's do it. That actually came out pretty nice. Let's see if we can assemble this and see what I actually get here.
Tell you what, I like it.
Well, it's official. My first one. I tell you what, it was enjoyable, it was fun. I see why people get hooked on this stuff. Came out pretty nice, man. It came out really nice. Spalted maple, it's a light colored pen. I think it goes really well with the gold accents. It actually turns and comes out and works and everything. But I like it. I really like it. I'm going to give you guys some close-ups in a sec. And don't forget, go ahead and check out Jordan Woodworks. Great guy. I'll put his link down below and a little thing up here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, all that stuff. I'll give you a couple close-ups of this pen. I really enjoyed that. That was fun. If you're looking to try to make a pen, go ahead, do it. It's great. All right, have a good day.